Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, today we're at the Reverie at River Hollow. So this is a beautiful, I'd call it a mid-rise residence, but with the high-rise kind of elegance, and it's in the River Oaks area of Houston, Texas. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna film probably about 12 to 14 videos here, and I want to give you just a peek of what life might be like for you here if you choose to live here at the Reverie at River Hollow. We have been here before and we filmed this property, but it's been a couple of years, and I wanted to give you just a re-peek, if you would, at this property. And we also have a much better camera so that you can see much better details of life here at the Reverie. So I'm really excited to see it. I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna love the amenities and the finish outs inside. Before we go inside, I'm gonna also walk around just a little bit more. I wanna tell you about this River Oaks area. It's a pretty fantastic area. So let's take a look at that on the next video. By the way, if you have any questions at any time, that's my personal cell phone number below. Just send me a text, say, "Hi Grant, I love what I'm seeing. I'd like to get your help, and I'll be watching your videos, but send me a text back." Hey, that sounds good. I'll reach back out to you and look forward to hearing from you. Okay, let's go to the next video right now.